So this is the Ford Ranger Limited. This one's in sea grey. That's the 2-litre bi-turbo, which is new for this model, the 10-speed automatic gearbox. This one a little bit unusual. It's got the 213 PS engine in it that I'm more accustomed to with the Wildtrak. It's also got a fair few different styling options on it. It's got the front light garnishes, the bonnet protector there. It's also got the bar below the front splitter. It's got some new side steps on it as well. Probably the most noticeable thing, especially from the back, is the SCZ Sportsback there, which lifts up like a hydraulic boot lid. It does come with a reversing camera just underneath the Ford badge there, and a tow bar. Those rear light garnishes on there. Moving into the back, so this is the double cab, so you've got the leather seats in the back. Going into the front, again leather. Then you have the Ford Sync 3 touchscreen there, where everything's controlled from. There's your gear lever and the new 10-speed auto. Heated seats, air conditioning, all controlled from down there, as well as the four-wheel drive ratios there. The car's full of USB chargers, 12-volt chargers down there, one for the passenger, one for the driver. It's got cruise control, hands-free, controlled from the steering wheel as well. I'll say this is quite an unusual and rare Ranger. This really good looking with those little garnishes and bits and bobs that have been added. If you need any further information on this lovely Ranger Limited or any of our vehicles, please give us a call here at Pye Motors. We're on 01524 598 598.